So I went long at around 126.40. I went a small size because I knew a pullback might be due. Added more a little bit. Eventually got heavy size, and after the break of high of the day, I went, added more, all the way up to 127. Break of 127, and I got stopped out. All right, good morning, everybody. So let's do the recap for today. So today, I had a pretty good day. I mean, it started a little bit of choppiness, but definitely turned out to be a really nice day thanks to our buddy AMD. So AMD really had a really nice run. It went red and then had a really nice run up. Same as QQQ. So Qs were essentially had the same move. So it was really moving like Q. And I tried to take it ABCD pattern for the break of to R4 at 127. So I went long at around 126.40. I went a small size because I knew a pullback might be due. Added more a little bit. Eventually got heavy size, and after the break of high of the day, I went. Added more, all the way up to 127. Break of 127, and I got stopped out. So the average was around 126.20, and most of my positions are out on 127. I did the same trade again at 126.50. Added more on this moving average, which is essentially when you look at it, essentially would be a 920 trade, but it didn't fit the 920 trade because criteria, because it was just doing a pullback. So yeah, went there, and again we did that trail. So this was a really good trade, but it was very heavy size. So even though the moves were just $1, but because my size was really good, so the profit was really nice on that. And then the PTON chopped me up a little bit on the long side, but eventually I got a really nice short thanks to Brian on that. So at the open, we did a really nice opening range break up. I got out, and then I got stopped out some of it, and then I tried to catch another reversal and another reversal. So 3 trades on that, so this one was got a small loss, a little bit of win, a little bit of break even, and then I had this again another trade that I did on it for the breakout, but this was a small size. But eventually I got this really nice short on it. So PTON. Yeah, on the long side, I lost a little bit on that, but that was the biggest trade that I did for the PTON. So the news is that Amazon wants to buy PTON. That's why I gapped up 20-30%, but it really lost a lot of momentum. So for the break of low of the day, which is essentially a 5-minute opening range breakdown, I went short on PTON, and all the way up to, I wanted to get to 29.17. I added a little bit more on 29.80, and we got out, and eventually I got out of it at the break even. And Baba was also a really nice short. I think we got it at the open. So Baba was a really nice rejection. That's a famous Rising Devil Brian's trade. Short, I got it, chased it a little bit here, got covered all the way here. On the pullback, I added, but I got stopped out. And then I actually added again, I got stopped out. So actually, Baba, I lost money, on the short, because it's just my ads were really not... nice. So this one I got, this was the trade that I got stopped out, and this was another trade that I got stopped out. And yeah, so that was my trade. And Facebook sold off again back to 230 levels. So Facebook really had a really nightmare day again. So we all wanted to catch a reversal on it at 230, which is a yesterday low, but we really never lost S4. I took it long, popped up, again took it long. I really didn't make any money out of Facebook, unfortunately. I was hoping to get to 230, but never really gave us the opportunity. So Brian, how was your day?
No, it was good. As you mentioned earlier, my first trade was Baba. It was weak out of the open, so I took it short, covered it on that drop, and then it was sort of this pattern was a repeat of Friday. I couldn't remember what stock it was, but it was pins. Did kind of the same thing, really sold off at the open, and then came back and bounced back up to the VWAP, and that's where I reshorted pins on Friday, and that's where I reshorted Baba today, and again got that second drop on Baba back down to low of day, and then covered again. So two good trades on Baba. And then you mentioned PTON already. We got that short when it started to break down there. Got a nice move on that one as well. So yeah, overall it was a good day. And then of course Facebook, we caught the one bottom there,
You
and
traded better
Facebook's
than me. I didn't get catch this one. Brian caught this one, but I didn't.
yeah. So we did. So Facebook finally broke out of this descending triangle here. It went up to the upside. So, but I think it's just going to be choppy down here in this area the rest of the day. So we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, for sure. No, excellent. So IWM is the stronger
Yeah.
one here. From all of the indexes is up almost 1%. Qs are trying to survive, and the SPY is pretty much flat. Really not a
Yeah.
trending day, so it's really a flat day. Bitcoin
Yeah.
recovered
Yeah.
43,000 over the weekend, and oil is at $91. So it's good to see what the market is doing. Probably, there's no reason to market go significantly higher, but at the same time, it seems that the bond market has settled down. So there doesn't seem excuse to significantly go lower. So it might chop around for a couple of months here until the tightening starts in March. Usually when the Feds are doing the tightening, the market is going up. But before that, the volatility is just bothers everybody. Brian, well, today, all the new members, guys, we have the onboarding session at 7 p.m. and the technology class after that. So make sure that if you're a new member, join us. If not, yeah, hopefully you can benefit from our trading recaps. Have a good day, guys.
Have a good day.